Basically dabbing. I'm dabbing. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing Simpsons left out. Okay, hold on. This is just something that doesn't contain iPhones. This isn't iPhone. Here, I'm gonna pause it until we get to the things. Okay, so we'll do the quest. Not these quests right here that you see on the screen. Oh, guacamole. So we have 3 new buildings. First one we will start with will be the bird cage, or whatever you want to call it. The bird thing, whatever you want to call it. So there we go. We have the bird cage now. So that's just something. Oh yeah, I'm gonna claim this. That's something we got. And then over here we have the chef. Let's claim that. I'm a very one happy stereotype, and that's Luigi. And those are business owners. We have 3 business owners. So close to completing it. It's a me, Luigi. Is he actually gonna be like Mario person, Luigi? I don't know. It's a me, Luigi. Okay, so but then we got Jake something. Free band-aids with every cup per. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 quests to do. Okay, let's start with Marge. Well, I'm off to get hair done, homie. Watch the kids. Make Marge. Okay, that one favorite. Oh, I'm so hungry. I could eat something healthy, although I would rather die 8,000 deaths. Okay, electricity here. Chief Wiggum, the state of crime in this town is bad. Bombay bad. Speaking as a law and order Democrat, I say we need more police on the streets. Itty Lou, come in. Over. Itty Lou? I need you to do something so I don't have to. Over. I'm super lazy. Over. Oh man, I guess I'll actually have to do my job. Oh my god. Well, we do want Libby and yeah, the squeaky voice teammate. Squeaky voice doing sweep hair. Oh, I can't do that. So sorry. If my mouse chizzy gets any longer, it's gonna catch in a dough mixer. That's how Mama died. That's sad. Okay, you can do that. Oh, Mom has one. That's it. If Homer's gonna play hardball, then I'm going to have to brush on my sports knowledge. We need to get Homer alone. We can reason with Homer when he's by himself. Actually, deep down underneath, layer after layer after layer after layer after layer of fat, he's good. He's a good man. I know. Let's invite Homer to gulp and blow from me. Oh, yeah. Maybe if we butter him up with little, we can convince him to drop the lawsuits. It usually works with my secrets. There. Why? Well, guys, I guess that's it for this video. Because I waited it out the whole time. So yeah, we got everything, basically. So yeah, don't forget to friend me on EA. Go check out my last video or see my name because I'm too lazy to put it in the description. No, I'll put it in the description. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave